Diane Carg-Barron here with 1 Minute, 1 Tip. If you've ever looked at your jewelry photos and thought that they look kind of blah, the problem may be something called simultaneous contrast. That's a visual effect where the way your eye perceives color is affected by objects that surround what you're looking at. If those objects are all relatively close in value to each other, and by that means how light or how dark they are, then everything can start to seem very flat. Now, something you can do to check the contrast in your photos is to squint at your jewelry. What that does is it reduces the amount of light coming into your eyes so that you don't perceive color quite as well. It's sort of like what happens when the sun goes down and everything starts to lose definition. Squinting at your jewelry will reduce the amount of color you see, but your eye will still be able to see the light and the dark. So if you notice that everything is starting to look a uniform gray, then you know that it's time to change out the background to something that is lighter or darker so that your jewelry stands out more. If you'd like to learn more about jewelry photography, then come and join me as a member at thetaoofwire.com. You can find a link in the description below. And if you found this tip helpful, then please like, share, and comment because I always appreciate your feedback. Thanks for watching today. See you next time.